Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you all are doing well. In this video we will see how to make your own YouTube subscribe link to get more subscribers on your channel. Let us copy your YouTube channel URL link and share on WhatsApp or any social media. Here I am sharing on WhatsApp. Once they click on the link, it will take them to your channel page where they cannot find any direct option to subscribe your channel. Whereas YouTube has a feature where you can just add the parameter to your YouTube channel or YouTube URL. Now use these links for your audience to subscribe your YouTube channel in your video descriptions, emails, social media, websites, and as well as blogs. This is perfect for linking your YouTube channel from social media or other place where you don't have the ability to insert code for a proper subscribe button. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done before, and hit the bell icon to stay connected with my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.